Hello, in this video we're going to be tracking a very active stormy weather pattern. It's fixing to take place as we get in towards the first weekend of 2024. How much snowstorms we're going to see and how much severe weather we're going to see too with these very strong troughs coming through. Along with that, these temperatures will be pretty cold for a lot of people as these big cold fronts come through and these anomalies will be below average too. So let's get right towards the video. Alright everybody, so now let's get right into the video. So I hope you're having a very good morning so far on the first day of 2024. I am too. Hope you had a very good and fun, safe night on New Year's Eve. I did too. In this video, we're going to be talking about some storms we have to watch as we get in towards the first weekend to 2024. Yes, we got some big storms coming, and some of these storms are so big that I have to make a video on this, especially the one on the 9th of January. We definitely have to watch that storm because that could be a big one, bringing very lots of snow on the backside of it, blizzard conditions, and possibly strong severe storms on the warm side of the storm. So if you like these videos that we do on my channel, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss another upload. So let's get right into the video. So right now, first of all, let's talk about what's going on right now. So as I'm recording this right now on the first day of 2024, yes, we are finally in 2024, and it looks like 2024 is going to bring a lot of storms for us for parts of the U.S., especially the southeast and the upper Midwest and the northeast. We can see a lot of snow for y'all. So not really much going on right now. We do got a little system that is making its way down towards the mid-Atlantic. It's bringing a lot of cold air. Nothing too much in the way of storms, just bringing probably some little bit of snow if enough cold air is in there. And look at this. Back towards Pacific Northwest, we do got a little small slurry storm that's making its way towards South California. Only thing that thing is going to bring just some showers and some clouds. Not really much anything severe, but things are getting ready to change, guys. So let's get right into the video. So right now, we're going to look at our overall U.S. weather precip on the 6-hour precip on the European model, what the weather is going to like in the next coming days as we get into our first week into 2024. Not really much is going to happen until we get in towards the 3rd. Look at this. We do get a small energy of storm that does start to fire up in the deep south. Nothing too crazy with that. Just bringing some clouds and some showers. Nothing too serious about that. Nothing too interesting about that. But it's this next storm that we kind of need to watch also too. Look at this. By the time we get into January 5th, January 6th, look at this. We get a decent storm system that come from Texas and move towards the southeast. And look at this. If you live in parts of the higher regions of North Carolina, Eastern Tennessee, Eastern Kentucky, Western Virginia, you might see some snow with this. Now this is trending, so you might most likely see this. So you can see we got a lot of heavy rain in parts of this Florida, parts of Georgia, a lot of heavy rain in parts of South Carolina. And this system does strengthen and make its way towards the northeast, bringing some snow for parts of the northeast, including Pennsylvania, New York City, and even parts of Massachusetts. But watch this, guys. This next storm I'm fixing to show you got my concern pretty good. Like, look at this. This is a very, very strong low pressure. Starts to fire up by the time we get into January 9th. Look at this. Very strong system. Very strong storm system. Look at this, guys. 978 millibars. The backside of that, look at this. This is what you look for severe weather. Like, look at this. Here is our perfect storm system. Look at this. The back side of it, we got huge blizzard conditions. And the south side of it, we got very strong storms, if not severe storms. And on the warm side of this. So this is when we definitely have to watch, guys. I'm not here to hype stuff up, but this is probably going to be some business because this is probably going to be our first biggest system of the year, of the winter season. Yeah, of the winter season. Our first big blizzard of the winter season. So it's going to be a pretty big storm as we get into January 9th. So now I want to show you the 5 millibar height anomalies because right now we into a very crazy weather pattern change. Like we got storm after storm after storm coming towards the U.S. Like it's gonna be pretty active for the first half of 2024. I mean not the first half of 2024, the first week into 2024. And so you can see not really much going on right now. We do got this trough that is making its way down, bringing a lot of cold air. But look at this. As we get in towards January 3rd, here comes our storm systems after storm system. We got one that's moving towards southeast on January 3rd, another one coming on January 5th, a much bigger one, then even a much bigger one coming from the Pacific Northwest, dipping all the way down towards southwest and moving towards the southeast. And look at this, guys. This is a very, very, very big trough that's coming through. So something we definitely need to watch as we're getting towards January 9th and January 10th. And look at this, guys. Not only that, another storm system coming from the Pacific Northwest. It's going to be making its way towards the southern U.S. and probably bring some more storms. So we got storm after storm after storm. So now I want to show you the upper level wind pattern, and these are winds 18 to 20,000 feet above our heads. This is the upper level jet stream, and this is good because this is where we track our storms, our storm system. So the stronger the winds are, the stronger the trough is. So as we get further out, guys, as we get in towards, oops, I want to make this, okay, there we go. As we get in towards January 4th, not really much happened. We do get a little trough that comes from the southwest, but look at this. It doesn't do really too much of anything until we get in towards the 5th. Then we get another small trough that dips down towards the southeast. So look at this. Decent strong trough right here, guys. Not significant, not too much of a crazy trough. But look at this. This next trough, boy, look at this. This is very concerning. And I'm not here to hype stuff up, guys, but that is what you look for. Now, if all the ingredients come together, we could be talking about a severe weather outbreak, because you definitely, that's the worst thing you want. The worst thing you want for severe storms is a negative tip to trough. Because when you get a negative tip to trough, it allows all the Gulf moisture to be pulled out of that Gulf and towards the system. And that's what you definitely need for severe storms. And we're going to have a lot of that because we're going to have very strong upper level winds. Look at this. You got upper level winds anywhere from 125 to 135 knots. That's a very strong trough. Look how negative tip that is. Like, something we definitely gotta watch. This is probably gonna be our big boy right here, the one we definitely gotta watch. And also possibly another trough coming from the Pacific Northwest. Look at this, another one. Like, boy, like just 2024 is just, hey, 2024 wants to bring us some storms. Yes. Like 2024, like, why are you doing this to us? Like, come on. Like 2024 just loves bringing us storms. Like, look at this. Like, we got so much storm that's coming. 3 storms in a row that's gonna be coming for this first week into 2024. So now I do want to show the low level jet winds, is because this is also gonna be pretty bad too. These are winds only 5,000 feet above our heads, and when we look at these severe winds, especially the January 9th possibly storm event, these low-level jet winds are very, very concerning. I mean, very, like, this is something we definitely got to watch. Because I'm pretty sure there's definitely going to be enough turning in the winds, enough low-level jet winds, enough wind chill. But not only that, we got to make sure we have our cake and our instability and our dew points, our moisture. So, as we get into the January 5th, event, guys, look at this. Look at this, Look, the January 5th storm event, we do get a decent amount of low-level jet winds. So I think Florida is probably going to be the severe event we have to watch. So if you live in parts of Florida on January 5th, you might possibly see severe storms. It is possible because we're going to have a lot of ingredients. So we're probably going to have those dew points. We're probably going to have those instability. We're probably going to have that liberty. We do have that very strong wind chill, that low-level jet winds 5,000 feet above our heads. That's blowing over 70 knots. That's very strong. Then here comes our bigger system, guys. And look at this. 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 Very strong low-level jet winds, guys. These are low-level jet winds, 85 to 90 knots. Like, wow. Like, guys, this is what's so concerning, guys. And this is only 5,000 feet above our heads. This is very concerning. Like, we most definitely likely to have severe weather on this day. Like, there's no chance of severe weather not happening because these low-level jet winds are strong. We definitely gonna have those dew points. It's gonna be pretty warm, a lot of moisture. We're gonna have a lot of lift, a lot of instability. Like, look at this, guys. Very concerning. You got low jet winds very close to 100 knots. Like, boy, that's a very strong, powerful system. Then it makes its way towards the northeast too, guys. Like, look at this. Look at this. So now I want to show y'all the dew points. So how about dew points? We do need our 60 plus dew points. Are they going to be high enough? Well, let's see. So as we get into the January 5th storm system, look at this. We do get a decent amount of dew points. Alright, so Florida, you do have the dew points, the wind chill. So put a check on the dew points and the low-level jet winds and the turning the winds and the wind chill. Put a check on those two. So we got a decent amount of instability. I mean, decent amount of dew points, a decent amount of moisture for parts of Florida, and not enough for parts of Georgia and South Carolina. So I think the first system is probably just going to be a heavy rainmaker. No severe storms, but Florida, you might see severe storms on January 5th. So now, how about Cape, our instability, our lift? How much Cape we got in the air? Well, guys, this could change. The reason why these numbers are very low is because this is pretty far out, and this is not a best model to look for Cape. The H-triple-R model is the best model to look for Cape. But look at this. By the time we get into January 6th, Florida, no, you don't have quite enough Cape yet, but still gotta understand this is a couple days out. This could change significantly. So we do get a decent amount of Cape, guys, even for parts of South Carolina, but thing is, we don't got that moisture. That's just, but look at this. This next system, look at this. We get a whole lot of Cape for parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina. So pretty much, I'm pretty sure we get a whole decent amount of Cape for parts of South Carolina, Florida, and Georgia. So I'm pretty sure that's going to get changed and get much higher too. So now, how about our lightning? How much lightning these storms going to have? So when we look at our lightning flash rate, you can see, guys, look at this. By the time we get into January 5th, we do get a decent amount of lightning with these storms moving towards Florida. So we most likely have severe storms for parts of Florida, a little bit of lightning for parts of Georgia and South Carolina. But look at this. This next system bring whole lots of lightning for parts of the Southeast. Look at this. Parts of Florida, Georgia, and even South Carolina gets lots of lightning with this storm system that comes through. So the potential for severe storms cannot be ruled out with this storm system. So now, let's talk about the winter side of the storm, because it's not only going to be a severe winter for this side too. This is also going to be a very big storm that's going to bring lots of snow for a lot of people. So get ready, Illinois, get ready, Minnesota, get ready, Wisconsin, get ready, Michigan, get ready, Ohio, and also get ready if you live in the Northeast, because you got a lot of snow coming. How much snow can fall from now until December? I mean, not now until January 10th. So the European model is showing that we can see a lot of snow for parts of Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, Michigan. You can see anywhere from 12 to 14 inches of snow. And also, guys, if you live in parts of Virginia, you will also see snow too. You see anywhere from 12 to 16 inches of snow. The Northeast, anywhere from 8 to 10 inches of snow. The higher elevation, look at this, back towards the higher elevations of the Northwest, those mountains. You're gonna see anywhere from 32 to 34 inches of snow. A lot of snow coming, guys, but look at this. Now, I'm not here, but the interesting thing is parts of the lower Southeast can also see some snow too. Like, look at this. God, this is anywhere from a half an inch to 2 right here. And this grayish, guys, that's also an inch or 2 inches of snow. This is pretty far south. Look at this. Parts of Georgia, me including Atlanta, Georgia, South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, you could possibly get some snow too. It is shown on the European model. You might see anywhere from an inch or 2 of snow. So it's still possible. The GFS, lot more ballistic on the GFS model. Look at this. The GFS model is showing that back towards the Northeast, you can see anywhere from 20 to 22 inches of snow. Look at this, guys. Back towards the higher elevations of California, Oregon, and Washington, you're going to see anywhere from 40 to 42 inches of snow. Like these, the GFS is very ballistic. Parts of Atlanta, Georgia, you will possibly see snow, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of snow. So a lot of snow with this system on the GFS model. So now, how much rain we gonna see with these systems? Where these systems will bring lots of heavy rain. So if you live in parts of the Southeast, you're gonna see lots of heavy rain. So how much rain can fall now into those systems? So you can see anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4 inches of snow in parts of the Southeast, Pacific Northwest. You're gonna see a lot of heavy rain, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of snow in the Northeast. Also gonna see a lot of heavy rain too on the European model. GFS, a little bit more ballistic for parts of the Texas and Louisiana. You can see anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snow. The Northeast, a little bit less rainfall, but still some. The Southeast going to still see a lot of heavy rain, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of snow. And also the Pacific Northwest is going to see a lot of, rain. Rain. Cannot pronounce the right words. This is rainfall, not snow. So you can see the Southeast is going to see a lot of heavy rainfall. Northwest is going to see a lot of heavy rainfall. So now, let's get right into our current conditions, because we do have some above average temperatures is fixing to take place in parts of the Northeast. But also, the Southwest is going to be a cold one. You talking about anywhere from an 80 to 90% chance of seeing below average temperatures. Thanks for these troughs, because it's just going to be dipping down, keeping temperatures pretty cold and wet in the same time. It's also going to be a wet one for y'all in the same time with these below average temperatures. So South California and Arizona, you're going to see anywhere from a 90% chance of seeing below average temperatures. The Northeast, you're going to be above average temperatures. And along with that, how about rainfall? Well, it's going to be a wet one for the Southeast and the Southwest. The Southwest, you got anywhere from an 80 to 90% chance of seeing above average precipitation. Look at this. It's going to be a wet one also for the Southeast too. You got anywhere from a 50 to 70% chance of seeing above average precipitation. How about our 8 to 14 day outlook? We still going to have below average temperatures for parts of the Southwest, still above average. We still have below average temperatures for parts of the Southwest, still going to have above average temperatures for parts of the Northeast. How about rainfall outlook? Well, might as well say the whole U.S. is probably going to see at least above average precipitation. So, it's going to be it for this video, guys. If you do like it, please hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. And I hope you have a very good New Year's Day and your first day into 2024. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.